Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show YouTube playback speed not showing. Now see, open your phone setting. Now draw. Open apps. Scroll down. Open YouTube. Scroll down. Now open YouTube and open storage. Clear data. Delete. Back. Permission off. All permission allow. Now see your YouTube. All permission allow. Now open your Play Store. Open search option. Open search YouTube. Check update. Open YouTube. Now see, open any videos. Now open any video. Open setting. Playback speed. Now see. Thanks for watching video. In this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.